Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Login Giants. So today's video I'm gonna show you how to download and install AnyDesk application in your PC. Start by opening your favorite browsing app and then in the search bar type in AnyDesk. Visit the first link that appears to your screen. Alright, so due to some reasons my screen is shown like this, even though I have set the language on English, but no worries. I have searched and this is a trial and this is a download menu. So we will press a download menu here. And for another translation, this is for Windows and Apple, as you might know. We will go to this download option again. Now you can see it's been downloaded right here. Open this once it's completed. So here you can see your 9-digit AnyDesk code. You can also invite someone or maybe get invited with this code. Now for the installation part, we will go here. Here are some options that you might want to check or maybe uncheck. For example, like update and other auto updates. Then we will press this accept and install button. It will ask for any changes that you want this application to do to your device. I'm going to press yes. Press install here. After your complete installation, you can also set a password by clicking this button right here. AnyDesk application will appear in your desktop like this and you can have an easy access. So that is how you do it. If you have any question regarding this video, do leave that in comment section and we will get back to you. Thank you for watching.